Hello friends! Today we are going to prove the air has weight. So I have a fully blown balloon. I love to bounce it. Now, an empty balloon. It has a hole in the end. So this is a stick like over. It's a little chaotic. Now, an empty balloon that doesn't have any air, and so now I'm gonna get up on this chair. I don't know if you can see the chair, but I'm gonna get up on it. I'm flying right now. Now I stole, my mother stole this rod from a calendar. For you. There's one calendar near me. For you. Now, there's also string from my dress. The most of is up there, but the camera can see all the way up there. So I think, I don't know that. So this was a string from my dress, and I think these two things are rubber bands. So I don't actually know what these two things are. The camera straight. Somewhere, something. I don't know what to say now. For you. What? Oh, Kunyu. Okay, I think Kunyu will go away. If I have some people who lock Kunyu up in a jail, that will be good. You don't have any people. I'm so bad. Now, can you get out of the bed? Okay, but now, Kunyu, please. The full bill is pointing down to where I jumped in.